13.8 billion years ago, the universe was existed into a condensed and compactified particle, and it was a pre-time, no matter and no space era. The volume of this particle was 10 to the power minus 35 centimeter, which means that it was billion to billion times smaller as of an atomic particle. So it was the stage of nothingness, and there was no time, no matter, and no space. But then with an imaginary energy that is 10 to the power 19 giga electron volts, this infinitely small particle expanded exponentially to all four uh, corners of the universe, exponentially to all four corners of the universe through cosmic inflation, and then and 10 to the power minus 43 second period of time, the universe expanded exponentially, and in a fraction of a second, that is billionth of the second, that is 10 to the power minus 35 second period of time, the universe expanded exponentially to all four corners of the universe, more than the speed of light, and then up to after 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot and dense as there was no light. And it is also called the dark ages of the universe. And then after 180 million years after the Big Bang, the formation of star became possible. That is, the initial stars became possible, and the initial star were formed. And then after 250 up to 400 million after the Big Bang, these initial stars became able to form the earlier galaxies of the universe. In this regard, I would say that I will explain it that the existing fundamental four forces, that is the electromagnetic force, the gravitational force, the strong and weak force of the universe, were initially compactified and were combined in that initial infinitely small particles, and it is called the singularity. In this regard, I would say that now the James Webb Space Telescope is also depicting and reflecting and it is depicting and is also depicting and reflecting and identifying and discovering the earlier galaxies of the universe. And it can also be viewed through microscope background radiation through the help of the James Webb Space Telescope. Now, through the James Webb Space Telescope, it can be easily viewed the earlier galaxies of the universe. In this regard, I would say that 13.8 billion, that after 13.8 billion years, the existing universe have expanded up to 93 billion light years. That is, the volume of the existing universe is now 93 billion light years. Now let us see what Quran says about the starting of the universe. In Surah Anbiya, verse number 30, the Holy Book says that, O non-believer, don't you see that the sky and earth were combined, and we, God Almighty, split them apart? So now who can deny that it is not the clear indication about the Big Bang?